Everyone dreams of owning a home, picturing that perfect place to call your own. A cozy living room, a backyard for summer barbecues, and the pride of having a space that truly belongs to you. For generations, homeownership has been seen as a symbol of success and stability, the ultimate goal for many families and individuals. But the journey from renter to owner is far more complicated than it seems at first glance. It's not just about finding the right house or getting approved for a mortgage. There are countless decisions, obstacles, and financial hurdles along the way that can catch even the most prepared buyers off guard. Buying a house isn't just a milestone, it's a major business decision that can either build your wealth over time or, if you're not careful, drain your savings and leave you feeling overwhelmed. It's a commitment that requires careful planning, research, and a clear understanding of your financial situation. The sticker price is just the beginning. What you see on the listing is only a small part of the total cost you'll face as a homeowner. Hidden costs like closing fees, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and private mortgage insurance, PMI, can add up fast, sometimes adding hundreds or even thousands of dollars to your monthly expenses. Maintenance, repairs, and unexpected emergencies can also take a toll on your budget. Many first-time buyers ignore these expenses and focus only on the dream, not the reality. It's easy to get swept up in the excitement and overlook the fine print, but failing to plan for these costs can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. At Entrepreneurial Edge, we're here to pull back the curtain and show you what really matters, so you can make a smart, informed decision. We'll break down the process, highlight the hidden pitfalls, and give you the tools you need to navigate the world of real estate with confidence. Stick with me, and I'll help you become a savvy buyer, not just a hopeful dreamer. Together, we'll make sure your journey to homeownership is a rewarding experience, not a costly mistake. Before you even think about starting your house hunting journey, it's crucial to get your financial house in order. This step is the foundation for a smooth and successful home buying experience. Start by taking a close look at your finances. Organize your bills, track your spending, and create a realistic budget. Knowing exactly where your money goes each month will help you see how much you can comfortably afford. Begin saving for a solid down payment. Aim for 20% of the home's price if possible. This not only helps you avoid costly private mortgage insurance, but it also lowers your monthly payments and shows lenders you're financially responsible. Next, check your credit score. A higher score can unlock better interest rates, which means you'll save thousands over the life of your loan. If your score needs work, take steps now to improve it. Pay down existing debts, avoid opening new credit lines, and keep your job history steady. Lenders want to see that you're a reliable borrower with stable income and manageable debt. Your debt-to-income ratio is a key factor for lenders. Keep your monthly obligations in check by reducing unnecessary expenses and paying off as much debt as you can before applying for a mortgage. Finally, get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start shopping. This not only shows sellers you're a serious buyer, but it also gives you a clear idea of your true budget and helps you move quickly when you find the right home. Don't even think about making an offer without that pre-approval letter in hand. It's your ticket to a confident and competitive home search. Closing on your home is just the beginning, an exciting milestone but far from the end of your financial journey. The ongoing costs are real, persistent, and often relentless, catching many new homeowners off guard. Property taxes and homeowners insurance can rise over time, so research them carefully before you buy. Maintenance is non-negotiable. Budget 1 to 2% of your home's value each year for upkeep and regular repairs. Unexpected repairs, like a broken furnace or leaky roof, are inevitable, no matter how new your home is. That's why it's crucial to keep a healthy emergency fund set aside. Skimping on these costs can lead to bigger, more expensive problems down the road. Homeownership is rewarding, but only if you're truly prepared for the full scope of the true costs. Welcome to the real world of owning a home, where the story never really ends. Smart homeownership is about more than just finding the right house. It's about careful planning, discipline, and making informed decisions every step of the way. Before you even start searching, take the time to understand your needs, your goals, and your financial limits. Build a comprehensive budget that includes every possible expense: mortgage payments, property taxes, homeowners insurance, utilities, and ongoing maintenance. Don't forget to factor in unexpected repairs and future upgrades. Knowing your true costs helps you avoid surprises and keeps your finances healthy. Never skip a thorough home inspection. It's your best defense against hidden problems that could cost you thousands down the road. A detailed inspection not only protects you, but also gives you valuable negotiating power if issues are found. Always think long-term. If there's a chance you might move within a few years, renting could be a smarter financial move than buying. Consider your career, family plans, and lifestyle before making a commitment. Stick to your criteria and your budget. Don't get swept up in bidding wars, emotional decisions, or clever marketing tactics. Remember, the right home is one that fits your life and your wallet. Don't be afraid to walk away if a deal doesn't feel right. There's always another house, and patience often leads to better opportunities. By following these smart moves, you'll make a sound investment, one that brings you security, comfort, and the potential for wealth for many years to come. Homeownership is a journey, and with the right approach, it can be one of the most rewarding decisions you'll ever make.